One little elephant, big and bright. Two fluffy bunnies, hop and play. Three cute kittens, chase some yarn. Four ducklings waddle by the pond. Five cheeky monkeys swing up high. Six cool penguins slide on ice. Seven green frogs jump and play. Eight bright birds fly in a line. 9 small fish swim in the sea. 10 cute puppies run and cheer. Count, let's all say, numbers grow in a fun way. 1 to 10, come along, join the happy counting song. Yeah.
If you had fun, give us a big thumbs up and click that subscribe bell to join our School Avenue. We have new stories and songs waiting for you every week. Remember, this is the place where you entertain, learn, and grow together. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.